Okay, today's project is going to be measuring and removing the drive shaft. After we put the lift and the new shackles in, which brought up however many it was, inches, however many it was fairly significant. The drive shaft is giving me some shudders and vibrations. So we're going to measure our angles and put it in an order for a custom drive shaft. And so today's job is going to be taking it out. So first things first, I'm going to soak those bolts in some PB Blaster, and then we will start taking it out. I didn't set up the tripod, but the drive shaft is out, and got some little cleaning up to do to some of these surfaces, and maybe some pressure washing up here. It's kind of too dark to see, but I got the measurements, and we're going to go order the new drive shaft. Here's the old drive shaft. Not terrible looking. The U-joints are actually pretty good condition, considering. So I don't think those are quite done for yet, but we'll see. Maybe keep those as spares. So, yep, here we are. Today we got the double cardan drive shaft going in from Tom Woods. This thing got here quick. Also got to replace the yoke on the transfer case output, and then on the rear end we got some shims to adjust the pinion angle. So that's what we're working on today. Got this disassembled. Got the springs clamped together so they don't come apart. And I got the axle and the springs separated and the shock up there tied up. But the bolt for the new shim, which is going to go right there, doesn't quite fit through the hole with the springs, and the head on this bolt doesn't quite fit into the slot on the axle. So we're going to be needing to drill those out to whatever this is going to fit. Alright, so the shims are in on both sides. Pinion angle is modified, and now where's the yoke? Yoke for a transfer case is out. Now to put all the new shiny shit back in. Drive shaft's going in. Just need to tighten everything up. Oh yeah. Okay, took her for a test drive, and it's much better. Shudder is gone. Awesome. Way to go, Tom Woods drive shafts. Later.